Are you looking for the best compact camera for YouTube, travel, and vlogging? Today, we're reviewing one of the most popular compact cameras on Amazon, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. This small camera is loved by vloggers and content creators around the world because of its amazing video quality and powerful features. But is it really worth buying? Let's find out in this video. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is one of the most popular compact cameras for vloggers, YouTubers, and travel creators. It is designed to deliver powerful performance in a small and portable body. First, let's talk about the design. This camera is extremely compact and lightweight. You can easily carry it in your pocket or a small bag. For travelers and content creators, this is a huge advantage because you don't need to carry heavy camera equipment. The build quality of the camera is also excellent. It feels solid in hand, and the buttons are easy to use. Even beginners can quickly learn how to operate this camera. Now let's talk about the image quality. The camera features a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor. This sensor is much larger than what you find in most smartphones. Because of this, the camera can capture more detail, better colors, and improved low-light performance. If you are shooting photos at night or indoors, the camera can still produce clear and sharp images. Another important feature is the lens. The camera comes with a 24 to 100 mm zoom lens, which allows you to capture both wide shots and close-up shots. This is perfect for travel photography and daily vlogging. The lens also has a bright aperture that helps create beautiful background blur. This gives your photos and videos a more professional look. Now let's move to video performance, which is one of the biggest reasons people buy this camera. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III can record 4K video. This means your videos will look extremely sharp and detailed. Unlike some cameras, this one records 4K video without heavy cropping. For vloggers, this is a huge benefit because you can capture more of the scene while recording yourself. Another great feature is the flip-up touchscreen display. The screen can rotate upward so you can see yourself while recording. This makes it very easy for vloggers to frame their shots and make sure everything looks perfect. The camera also supports slow motion recording. This allows creators to capture cinematic shots for travel videos, product videos, or creative content. Autofocus performance is another strong point of this camera. It has fast and accurate autofocus that can track faces and moving subjects smoothly. This is especially useful when you are recording yourself while walking or moving. Battery life is decent for a compact camera. You can record multiple videos and take hundreds of photos before needing to recharge the battery. Many content creators also carry an extra battery when shooting for long hours. This camera is ideal for several types of users, including YouTubers, travel vloggers, beginner filmmakers, and social media creators. If you want a camera that is powerful, easy to use, and portable, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is definitely worth considering.